Hi everyone, and welcome again to another movie from our series Windows 7 and 8 Tips and Tricks, what will drive us to become more professional and more comfortable of using Windows. At this time, very rare to hear the term standalone computer, because everyone at this time become part of a network, work network or home network, via wireless or via Ethernet, or part of a global network is the internet. So with this generation we need to learn the new stuff about the networking on Windows 8. We will learn the network connection, how to become part of a network or connect to internet, how to set up our home group, and if we have one, how to join one, and we will learn everything about the sharing from Windows 8. So let's start and have some fun. Networking become more powerful with Windows 8, and let's see what if we type the word networking in the search field, what we will get. So network, so let's see that word, what will give us. Will give us that application, single app, and let's go to the setting. For example, in the setting we found a lot of applications here. First one is connect to a network, that one is we will see in a moment. Home group, we will see it too. Choose home group and sharing options. This is if you are a part of a home group, just select the options, and a lot of more of options about like printers and file and stuff. In the right hand corner, as we keep going, we see turn history off, like that. If you have a history, this is of course if you are a part of a network. We didn't become a part of a network yet. So networking and sharing center, and we can see here, set up a connection or networks. We're gonna see that one. A VPN if you want to create a virtual private network. A lot of stuff on Windows 8, but we don't have time for all that things. We will see few of them tonight. So let's start with the first one, connect to a network. By clicking on that app, you see on the right hand corner, this is our connections available. I am connected to that network, as you can see here. This is my network. I'm connected via wireless. Let's see what I have here. Right click on that network, and let's see, turn sharing on or off. So before going to create or join a home group, you need to turn on that options. If you don't do that, they will send you to turn it on, and you will come back here. So without losing time, if it's off, let's see if it's off, let's turn it on. So I will go and click yes. So now I'm sharing my files. I am able to connect to a network, to a home group. So but before doing this, let's see, I want to set up my connection to internet. Let's see, you know, at this time Microsoft Windows 8 so smart on this stuff. You know, when you connect, for example, via wireless, this set up your connection. If that wireless router have internet access, set up the connection automatically, not manually. But imagine if you are connected via modem, for example, and when you connect your modem, you find out that you are still not connected for a reason or another. So you know, 90% or 99% the modem will be detected automatically and set up everything automatically for you. you know, and just ask you a little window pop up in the desktop and ask you to answer your username and password given to you from your company, you know, internet company. For example, if you are from France, you will find Orange, or for example from here Morocco, Telecom, or for example from Australia you found Optus, Orchestra, you know, depends of your internet provider. So but if that doesn't happen and you find a problem, this when you will need to go here, set up connection or network by going to that application. They will take you to the desktop because it's a desktop environment, and select the first one, set up internet on connection. You know, I'm actually connected to the internet, but just I'm showing you how to do that. They said that I'm connected to the internet, so no problem in here. But by clicking, if you are not connected, you will find like a red crossing here that's you are not connected. By clicking in setting your connection, so now they said it's broadband, you know, select that one. It's the only option you have, and then you will ask you will answer your username. As I mentioned before, that username is given to you from your internet service provider, ISP, or FI if it's in French. So enter your username, your password, and save your password to be saved on that machine. Remember, you know, this is show the password if you want to see the password. As you scroll down, this is the connection name. Give it any name. This is it's not it shouldn't be just like that. Leave it. You can change the name, and by checking that checkbox, you will allow other users, if you have more than one user on that computer, to use the same connection. And that's it. And you do connect like connect, and you are connected to the internet. So it's that easy, very easy, by using Microsoft Windows 8. But really that this will not happen because, as I said before, Microsoft Windows 8 will find your modem automatically, USB modem or stuff, anything, and just will pop up a window to ask you for your username and password without going to that settings. So we keep going our networking, and we go to the home group. To create a home group or join a home group in Windows 8, there is two different ways. I will show you the first one. Go into the setting, go PC setting. From that app, you see in the bottom there is a category here called home group. It's simple as that. So they will show you that window here. They said a home group is available. If there is no home group available, you will find here create a home group. But in my case, I find that there is someone else in my network already create a home group. So this is the name of the person, the computer create that home group. It's Maro PC. So all I need to do is ask for the password to join that home group. Simple as that. So I asked for the password before, and this is the password, and type in clicking in join. Very simple. It's become very easy to join groups in Windows 8. It's as you remember in previous movies with the Windows 7, we did the same thing. They said that the password is incorrect. I will type it again. So this is the password. Do it again. As I mentioned before, with previous movie we did that operation, join a group, but with the old environment, and it's the same way, but we can do it still. It's still available by going to the control panel and going to networking and going to home group and join the home group from there. But this is just because with Metro apps I want you to be comfortable with the Metro apps. As you can see here, I join the group. I am with the group now. This is the options here. My document not sharing. I can make I can share it. Everything I want to share, just move it like that. I want to share that one, my music, share. Select what options you want to share, like printers, yes, why not. Let's see if you have any devices like TV. I don't have any. As you scroll down, so continue. As you can see here, it's the password here if for anyone who won't join our group. So, and if you now everything is, as you know, everything in Metro app saved automatically. Now my settings are saved, but if I want to leave that group, I can leave it by clicking on that button. And if I wanna join it again, all I need to do is join and type the password again. So now I am part of my home group. Let's see, I will go now to the other way of home group. If I want to join the home group in my old environment desktop, and go into the down left hand corner and right click and go into control panel. As I mentioned before, go to networking, home group. From here you can see the options you have, like what I'm sharing. You can change them. You can do any changing you want, and you can, for example, leave the group from here. You can do whatever you want from here. That options, it's not available for me to change password because it's not me who create the password, but I can view the password from here. I can print it or whatever. So this is the old way, the old environment. As you can see, I can do the same way, join the group from here. If I didn't join it there, I can join it from here. It's up to you what you feel comfortable with the old environment or with the Metro environment. So then the important now is I am a part of a home group, and there is something more beautiful I want to show you. Now when you become a part of a home group, what element I am sharing with my group members? The library area, my music, my documents, my photo, and my videos. This is the elements I select before. But sometimes we want to share specific folders, and we want to share some specific files with some people, with not to others. Sharing options, it's very important to know how to manage them. For example, if I want to share that folder and just share it with the home group, everybody on the home group will be able to see what's inside that folder. But sometimes I want to share that folder with one person on the group, but not with the others. But really, these things is become more easy with Microsoft Windows 8 with sharing options, and there is a lot of options. Really can be very easy. Even internet sharing, you can share your files on internet. So how can we do that? By going to, for example, any folder. Let's see that one. So that folder is before we go in there, let's see, this is my home group. This is the members of the group. By clicking on the home group, first of all, let's see, you see on the top there is a new tab called home group. By clicking on that home group, you can see a lot of options. Join, I am already joined, share, library, and a lot of stuff. And this is the normal elements you can change from PC settings or from the control panel home group. This is the options. You can see the options without going there. So you can change the settings from here by clicking there, and that's it. For example, if you don't want to share that one, change it, not share, and continue. This is very handy way without going to control panel or to PC settings. Very easy to change the options at any time just from the File Explorer. So just I want to give you let you know, keep in mind that this is possible from the File Explorer. So as I mentioned before, I go to the desktop, my files, I go to this is the folder, give it a click, one click, and as you can see here on the top, by going to, before we go into the share view, I want to change the view. I want to go select detail pane, because I want you to see, as you can see here, that folder as already shared with home group. So if I want to stop the sharing, all I need to do is go into the share now, share tab, and click on stop sharing at any time. And now it's a moment, and you can see now the notification about sharing gone. That folder is not shared anymore. So just give it a click, one single click, and you go here to see the options we have here. We have share with home group. That's just right. That means they can see only what's inside it, but they can change anything on that folder. Second one, read write, the view and the edit. They can change anything on that folder if you select that options. And third one, we're gonna see it later. So by clicking share, a moment, and that folder is shared. So it's simple as that, very easy. I don't wanna share the entire folder. I will stop sharing. I wanna just share some files. I wanna go inside. I will share, for example, let's say I wanna share that file, but this time I wanna share it with specific people. If I share it with my home group view, they can view it, view and edit, they can view and edit, they can do whatever like they own that file, the same as me. But with specific people, they will send me to that little window. From here I can type here the name of the person I want to share that file with. I can even type an email to add the person of that email to be able to see that file, and of course that file, the person will get an email of the link to get that file. This is very handy way if you want to send someone a file. If you wanna share it with let's say with the home group, so everybody on the home group will be able to see that. For example, you want to share it with everybody. Let's see, I want to share it with everybody, and click add. You can see here the person is added. I can here control the permissions. Let's see, this is as you can see here, the owner. This is the person, I am the person. For example, I can add any person on the group, and as I did here, and select the permissions. Read write is view and edit. Read is only view, and remove that person from here. Will not be able to see my file. So as I mentioned before with everybody, what everybody mean? Everybody that mean that this file I share will be public. Public, that mean can be reachable from anywhere in the world if you are connected to the internet and if your computer is still turned on. So by clicking in share, they will say that this file is shared, and this is the link. If I want to give it to someone, that link can download that file, can read that file, can see that file, can for example, if they have read write, they can even change that file. So but as you can see here in the bottom, that file will be reachable as I mentioned before if your computer is still on, still connected online. If you turn on your turn off your computer, so that file will not be reachable after you turn on again your computer. So by clicking, for example, right click and copy the link I show you now, and close. So I go to any navigator, any browser. Let's say go to Google Chrome. Let's see if I can reach it from internet now. That file is shared. So I will go to the address bar and paste that file. As you can see here, I need to take off some stuff. I want to keep only the name. This is from here, file from here. This is the name. Okay, I will delete. This is the name, and everything before that need to be deleted. Okay, as you can see, you need to keep file / IT stems user . This is the name of my file, and enter. So if you are connected to the internet, as you can see, I can read my file from the internet. I can send it to someone and listen to the music online with me. If it's video, the person can see the video online. If it's file, will be able to be downloaded, and stuff like that. If it's presentation, can be able, if you have a presentation plug-in on your browser, you can see it online. So it's very handy way to share your files through the internet, through your group, your network, and your people will be able to see them and use them as well. So we come back to our start screen and we'll continue our movies from here.